What up, it's your boy WhipAddict, man. We are about to check out my boy Dre. What up, it's your boy WhipAddict, man. We about to check out my boy Dre 2020 Corvette. Just mounted up on them Amani, big caps. Know what I mean? Shout out to the team. Ricky, Ed, Stephanie. You know what I mean? So, about to go in here and see what it's looking like. Might let y'all see his other car that I know y'all remember. I know y'all waiting on. It's been a little minute, but you know, these things take time when you gotta get them right. Car game is not for the weak in the pocket or the weak at heart. So, might let y'all see that depending on how you feeling. But here we go. So we are at Walton Collision, CJ.
You know, I look crazy with my...
There you go. J Stitchery.
You gotta turn on to the you gotta turn your character mode on when you do that.
I know, right? What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? This is WhipAddict.
This is WhipAddict. Yes, sir. Freshly mounted. I know y'all like, why he go red face? Cause when he pop this thing off in the summer, not even the summer, just hell, by next week it's gonna be 70 in December still. So you know how Atlanta be, it's cold as hell today, but 70 next week. So red guts, red stitching in the contrast on the black. So yeah, now you see. This car got so many names. Stingray, C8, 2020, Vet.
That was hard. You can't tell it.
What part you paint?
Hey, Sam, hold on. Let me ask you this real quick. Hey,
Yo.
check it out.
Ooh, big motor.
I'm shaking like a damn. Hold on, man.
That jumper is seriously clean. Where is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him bring it up here one day.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, that's my wife's room. She lets me put my shit in there too.
Oh yeah, she's the greatest.
What's that thing you just bought?
She's the
That 30
greatest.
something?
Nice, man. I definitely want to see that red thing.
What the hell is it?
What is that? What is that red car? Chevelle or Nova?
It's a Falcon.
Falcon. Oh yeah, that's what he said.
A
Falcon.
damn Falcon.
The gray shit on white. And did this with the red leather.
Red leather.
Red leather going up here, the pillar, the A pillar.
Oh.
Daddy, I got the leather right now. The crib. I'm fucking 10 minutes away from my house.
So that's the suede right there, right?
That'll bring that shit out, man. And then do this
Through the window, yeah.
red. That shit'll be beautiful. And then do this shit white, man.
Yeah, cause you will see the 8 pillar when they all red. I'm just sitting here looking now.
Cause you look at this red.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Boy, back to back. 100K. 100K.
Back to back.
Back to back.
Yeah.
I gotta do that other quarter where I gotta paint it, that's it.
So what? You gotta paint both quarters or just this?
There you go.
You gonna have to take the whole side.
I knew you was gonna say that. Don't do it. I got this.
Cause he don't tell me about my interior, so I can't say shit.
Right. New motor though. So that's where it been for most of the time, getting a whole new motor. Shout out to Brad. Y'all remember him from the first video. Yeah. So he had gone LS that thing. Couldn't do the conventional. So yeah. Now he about to get retouched up for the weight. Got J Stitch. About to finish him up. He changed his lights, or he already. Oh, okay. He did change the headlights. Man, I should have got me some headlights like this. That's what I got in mind. The circle ones? I got the square. Oh yeah. Music here too. Getting that ready. He almost there. It's already wired up. Got the highs. A little bigger than what he thought. But yeah, it's coming. So yeah, guys, we're gonna raffle this one off. We're gonna raffle this off. Stay tuned.